Animals don't ask if it's a holiday or if you have time or energy. You always have to take care of them, every day and in any weather. We don't have water in the barn, and because of that we have to carry buckets of water to the animals. We do this several times a day, because in very cold weather the water can freeze. So far the weather has been so warm that we haven't wanted to close the ventilation holes in the foundation, so that there wouldn't be too much moisture under the house. Now it's finally -degrees and we decided to close the holes so that the floors in the house would be warmer. Before the snow we let the animals into the larger baster, but as usual winter comes unexpectedly and now we have to back up the fences with thick snow. Despite the fact that it is the last day of the year, the chores still have to be done. We had a lot of guests during and after Christmas, and we all ate too much roast pork, black pudding and sauerkraut. We got a little fed up with these meals and decided to do something completely different. So we chose pizza for New Year's Eve, and for dessert the family's daughter wanted her favorite, chocolate fondant. Our electric oven has been broken for several months now, and this has given me the perfect opportunity to learn how to use a wood-fired oven. Black bread and sourdough baked in a wood-fired oven are the best. But more complex cakes and desserts, as well as fondant, unfortunately do not turn out so well. Unfortunately, this time the fondant did not rise and remained too liquid at the bottom. However, it did not spoil the taste. When the time reached midnight, we went outside. We welcomed the new year with our family and animals.